So students, have you seen the cylinder? Yes, cylinder shape. We studied about cube and cuboid, right?
Yes.
So yesterday we studied cube and cuboid. How do you find the cube lateral surface area? Yes, 4a square. 4a 4a square.
4a square.
Yes, and total surface area by 6a square. Okay.
A square.
Hmm. Okay, good. So cuboid, how do you wait? I will come. Cuboid, how do you wait 1 minute? Cuboid, how do you find cuboid lateral surface area? 2h into L plus B. And total surface area, how do you find? 2 into L into B, B into H, H into L. And cylinder, how do you find for cylinder? That is, we have to study now. Cylinder means, have you seen gas cylinder? It will be round in shape, right? Yes, cylinder shape. Okay, cylinder or your bottle may be cylinder, round at the top and bottom, and it will be connected like this. Yes, isn't it? Both will be same size, up and down. Yes. That is the cylinder. Okay.
Cylinder.
So here this will be circular. The top and bottom. Wait here. Wait a minute. What is there? Top and bottom is there, right? Top and bottom will be circle. So it will have radius. And this is, we say it as height. What is this? This is height. Okay. So how do you find the total surface area? First let us see lateral surface area, LSA. That is side, LSA. LSA, if you cut it and open, it will look like this. So it is, we find by 2 pi RH. How do you find the lateral surface area? Using 2 pi RH.
2 pi r plus
H. 2 pi RH means 2 into pi into r into h, like that. And how do you find total surface area? That is, we have to add 2 pi RH. This is lateral on the side. This is round is there, right? On the side, that plus how much? 2 circles up and down. So circle area is pi r square. 2 circles are there. So 2 pi r square. Generally they will not ask. They will want, see here, don't remember this cylinder. Not required, I think. Yes, I forgot. You don't need to remember a cylinder. They will not give. Okay, leave it. Yes, you only remember cube and cuboid. Okay, you don't need to remember cylinder. Understand? Yes, this is not there. Okay now?
So cylinder will come, sir.
Cylinder will not come. Okay, I forgot. Yes. Yes. So here students, what do you mean by lateral surface area? ನಿನ್ನೆನೇ ಹೇಳಿದ್ದೀನಿ. Lateral surface area means
4 walls.
4 walls on the side. On the side. Total surface area andre 4 walls then and roof and floor. Both roof and floor. Both will be there. Okay. 4 walls with roof and floor. Understand? Okay. So after that we have to study about volume. That is the surface area. Surface area means this is the surface. My hand is the surface. This is the area. Okay. Yes. If I make it as a holding pot, how much water will be there? That is the volume. Right? So volume means how much we can hold inside. What? Volume. What do you mean by volume? The space inside. The space inside. Okay, how much it is?
Occupies inside.
Yes, the space occupied inside or the space inside any object. Okay, so if you take this box, how much space will be inside? Yes, That is, we just have to multiply all the sides. That is A and A is there, right? Yes, all the sides. So that is volume of cube. How do you find volume of cube? 3 times side into, that is edge into, or side into side. 3 times we have to multiply. So A into A 3 times means it will be A power 3. 3 times multiplication means A power 3. We say it as A cube. What do we say it as? A cube. Okay na? Because we are multiplying 3 times. This is for cube. Now what do we about volume of cuboid? Yes? Length into breadth into height. Length into breadth into height. This is volume of cuboid will be? Yes. Length into breadth into height. All the three we have to multiply. So you will get the volume. So students, how do you find the volume of cube? Tell me. Side into? That is 3 times we have to multiply A cube. Okay? Wait, I will come. So how do you find volume of cuboid?
Length into breadth into height.
Okay. Will everyone remember this? Yes. Tell me, what is your doubt? Okay, so now let us solve the questions. Okay. So first question.
That is the ordinary Navodaya book, no sir.
Okay.
That's showing no printer. Sir, we are.
So the first question. What is the first question here? So find the number of cubical boxes of side 3 cm each can be accommodated in a carton of dimension this 15 cm, 9 cm and 12 cm into 12 cm, right? So this is the box carton, like this it is, right? So length is how much? 15 centimeter. 15 into 9 into 12, right? 15 centimeter, 9 centimeter and height is 12 centimeter. In this they are placing small boxes. Small boxes of how much size? Yes? 3 centimeter each.
3 centimeter.
3 centimeter. That is, all the sides are same. That is cube. These are cubical boxes. Cubical boxes means cube. So how do we find number of cubes? That is, we have to divide volume. Number of cubes in that will be, what we have to do? Volume of bigger, that is carton. Volume of carton, in that we have to place what? Cubical boxes. So volume of what? Cubical box, smaller one. So we know volume of carton. Carton is like all the three sides we have to multiply. So that is 15 into 9 into 12 divided by volume of cubical box 3 centimeter. So that is cube means we have to multiply 3 times. So 3 times means that is smaller cubical box. So 3 we have to, how many times we have to multiply 3? Tell me. 3 times. So 3 into 3 into 3. 3 times we have to multiply. So when you cancel this, you will get the answer. Yes. So how do we find the number of cubes? That is, we have to divide the volume. Volume of carton divided by volume of cubical box. So here 15 into 9 into 12 divided by 3 into 3 into 3. Okay. Yes, you cancel it out. So 3 how many is 15? 3 5s are 15. 3 3s are 9. And then 3 how many is 12? 3 4s are 12. So what is remaining now? 5 into 3 into 4. So if you multiply 5 3s are 15. 15 4s are
15 4s are 16.
So how many small boxes will be there in this carton? 60 small boxes
60.
can be placed. Understand? Yes.
Yes.
So students, 57 question. Yes. So see here, 57 question. A brick measured this much, 20 by 10 by 7.5 centimeter. How many bricks will be required for a wall 25-meter long, 2-meter high and 3 by 4 meter thick? So same way as like 56, but here little bit change. This brick is in centimeter and wall is in meters, right? Wall is in meters, so we have to change it to same unit. So here centimeter is there, 20 centimeter by 10 centimeter by 7 and half, 20 centimeter by 10 centimeter by 7 and half. So 7 and half means how do we write? We write it as 7.5 centimeter.
7,500.
No, it is centimeter only already. So it will be 7.5 centimeter. Right? 7.5 means 7.5 centimeter. Okay, na? Here, wall is there, right? Wall is in meters. So if you want to convert it into centimeter, how much we have to multiply? You have to multiply with 100. So 25 meter will be how much centimeter? 2500 centimeter. Yes, and 2 meter will be 200 centimeter, and 3 by 4 means 3 by 4 into 100 we have to do. So if you cancel it out, so 4 how many is 100? 4 25 is a. So 25 3 is how much? 75 centimeter. So 3 by 4 meter means how much meter? Centimeter? 75 centimeter. So this side, the width, that is the thickness, is 75 centimeter. Understand? Okay na? Okay, good. So same way we have to do now. That is number of what? Number of bricks. How do you find? Yes, volume of wall divided by what we have to do? Tell me. Volume of brick. Okay, so we have to multiply all the three edges now. So volume of wall. Wall is how much? 2500 into then length into breadth. Breadth is how much? 75 into 200 divided by how much? Brick. Brick is how much? 20 into 10 into 7.5. Now we have to just do the cancellation, isn't it? So let us do the cancellation now. So it is 2500 into 75 into 200 divided by what I will do? 20 into 75. This is their rate. 10 and 7.5 will become 75. Okay now? I have removed that 10. Okay? Yes? Here for 10, 1 decimal point will shift, so it will become 75. Okay? So now cancellation. So 75 cancels out. Okay na? This 20, how many is 200? 20, how many is 200? 20 tens are 200. So what will be the answer now? So 2500 into 10. So that is 25,000 bricks. To make that wall, how many bricks will be required? 25 bricks will be required. Yes, 25,000 bricks will be required. Understand how to do? Okay, write it down. Let us solve 58 question now. Okay, so a wood block is there of cube size of edge 4 meter. How many rectangular pieces of size 20 centimeter and 20 by 10 centimeter by 5 centimeter can be cut from the block if there is no wastage? So this big wood is there. In this big wood they are cutting the small what pieces. Okay, so that piece size is given here. Yes, so how many pieces will be cut is the question. So how do you find number of pieces? Yes,
Volume divided by volume.
yes, volume divided by volume. So volume of bigger one, volume of big wooden, yes, wooden cube, that is bigger one. On the top we should write bigger one. Okay, and in the bottom volume, that is the denominator, volume of what?
Volume of rectangular piece.
Yes, rectangular piece, that is cuboid. Okay, yes, that is the smaller one. Okay, understand? Okay, so after that volume of wooden cube, that is the bigger one. How do you find? We have to multiply all the three. Before multiplying, here it is in meter, so we have to convert it into centimeter, isn't it? Because all these rectangular pieces are in centimeter. Yes, that is 20 centimeter, 10 centimeter, 5 centimeter. So this is also we have to convert it into what? Centimeter. So 400. Yes, 4 means it will be 400 centimeter. This also will be 400 centimeter. This also will be 400 centimeter. Okay now? So here it will be 400 into 400 into 400 divided by how much? Volume of rectangular piece is 20 into 10 into what? Yes? 5. After that we just have to do the cancellation. What you will get? You will get the answer. So 20 into 10 into 5. Should you do the cancellation now? Yes? So cancel it out. Here 1 0, here 1 0 cancel, this 1 0, this 1 0 cancels. Now 2 how many is 4? 2 2s are 4. Now after that 5 how many is? 5 how many is 40? 5 8s are 40 and 0 as it is. So 8 is so what will be remaining now? 400 into 80 into 2. Yes, 4 8s are, yes, here 4 8s are 32. 32 2s are 32 2s are 64 and 3 zeros. 1 2 3. 3 zeros means which option? Option C. So how many wooden pieces, smaller pieces can be made in this big wood? Yes, that is 64,000. Yes, understood? Okay, write it down. So next 59 question, right? So what is the question? A pond is 5 meter long and 4 meter wide and 2.5 meter deep. How much water does it contain? So how do we find? We find water in this by volume, using volume. So how do you find volume? Length into breadth into height. So we just have to multiply. Length is 5 meter into breadth is 4 meter, height is 2.5. So if you multiply, so 5, 25 4 is 100, that is 10 it will be. So 2.5 into 4 is 10. So 5 tens is how much? 50. So it will be in meter cube. So 50 meter cube is which option? Option B. Understand? So volume will be the water inside. Okay na? Okay. Should we go to the 60 question? So a pit is 50 meter long, 40 meter wide, 1 meter dug. Volume of the earth dug out in the pit. Yes. So how much volume of the dug means we just have to find the volume. So will you do homework?
So length into breadth.
Yes. You just
Option C, sir.
yes. Option C is the answer. That is correct. You do the homework. Okay na? Okay.
Sir, just give it now, right?
So 61, right? So what is the question? Which of the following statement is correct? They are asking. So cylinder is like this. Okay. So curve is here. This is the curve. So only one curve is there and two flat surfaces. But they have told two curved. So that is why not the correct. Cone has two curved. Cone means ice cream. You have seen ice cream cone? Yes? Your ice cream cone. So this is curve. So it is only one curve. So that is why that is also wrong. A cylinder has two curved. Wrong. Not two curved. So answer will be option D. Okay na? So this is the cone and this is the cylinder. Okay? Okay, fine. So that is how you have to do. So now here let's go to the next 62 question. Find the volume of a geometry box whose length is this much, breadth is this much and height is this much. Volume you know. You will do homework, just you have to multiply. Yes? Okay, good. Yes, anything? Yes. So that is homework 63 2. Okay? Yes? Should we go to the next? Yes. Any doubt? No? 63 now. Find the surface area of cube of side 6 centimeter. We already know cube. How do we find the surface area? Means total surface area we have to find. Right? This is 6 centimeter. This is also 6 centimeter. This is also 6 centimeter. So they are asking surface area. So surface area means that is we have to find total surface area. Okay? What? Total surface area. How do we find total surface area? 6 into a square. That is 6 into a into a. So that is a is here 6. That is edge. 6 they have given. So 6 into we have to multiply. A means 6 into 6. So 6 6 are 36. 36 6 are 216 centimeter square will be the answer. Okay now? Yes. So that is the answer. Okay.
Sir, what is the difference between length and height?
Both are distance only, but height. This is length, along the length, and this is the height. Your height. They don't tell your long. Do they tell your longer? Do they tell your height? Yes. They tell your height because you are standing.
Sir, they don't tell any of those. They tell you are tall.
Yes. So now let us see.
Multiply the top.
Yes. So 64 question, right? Find the volume of a brick. Volume is easy, very easy. Yes. Direct multiply all of it. Yes. And you will get the answer. Okay. Homework then. Next 65. A tank is 5 meter long, 4 meter wide and 3 meter height. What is water it can hold? Just volume. You have to find the volume. Yes. Multiply it. You will get the answer. Okay, good. So homework. Okay now? Yes. Okay. So should we go to the next?
54 plus 2.
Okay. So next question 66, right? Yes. Okay. 66 question. What is it? A big cube has a big cube has each portion of 45 centimeter. Means that is the side, each side, cube side. Okay, that is 44 edge. Tiny cube of 4 centimeter portion each are cut from that. Then how many tiny cubes can be formed that are surrounded by cubes on all the sides? How many cubes can be formed? How do you find that number of cubes? Yes?
Volume divided by volume.
Yes, volume divided by volume. Okay? Isn't it? So volume of the bigger one divided by smaller one. So cube it is. Cube means that is 44 centimeter is bigger. 44 into 44 into 44 divided by what we have to do? Smaller cube is 4 tiny cubes smaller. That is 4 into 4 into 4. Now cancellation. Yes? 4 how many is 44? 1 1 11. Here also this 4 11. Yes? Isn't it? This 4 and this 44. And next is you can take this 4 and this 44 11. So what we have to multiply?
Sir, is this 11 into 11 into 11. Sir, it is 1331. Not there is the option. Sir, it will become
11 into
cube.
yes. So it will be
Option.
is the question correct? Each is the options are correct? Yes? Check in the book once. Okay, change the option D. It is 1331. Okay. So 11 11 is 121. 121 11 is 1331. Okay na? So option will be option D. So actually this question is very ambiguous. And no clear idea. So leave this. Okay.
Sir, 67 question answer is 216 centimeters square.
Yes.
State answer is 9 meters.
Very easy question. Do it as a homework. Okay now? Now next question. 68. What is the answer?
Easy.
What will be the depth of a cubical pond whose volume is 729? Cube root. Yes. Cubical pond. We know 729 is 9 into 9 into 9. Just now we saw. 9 9s are 81. 81 9s are will be 729. So 9 will be the answer. Cube root of 729. What you have to do? Cube root. So from 3 we have to take 1 out. So 9 will be the answer here. Okay? Understand?
Yes, sir, done homework.
Okay, good. So that is it. So we completed this chapter. Yes? Very easy chapter. Very small chapter. Yes?